We were in the middle of plotting points. So let's just finish plotting points. Last one we did was they worked 2 hours and that was $7. Now, if they work 11 hours, we know if they worked 11 hours that it was $26 in tips. Looking at the graph, I know that it has a positive correlation. So now we're going to draw our line of best fit. So I'm going to take my line, and I don't want to start at 0, 0. I'm going to start somewhere, so I'm going in the middle of my data. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of data for 5 points. So I want my line to go somewhere in the middle here of my line. So if I'm going to pick my line, let's see if I can get it to work this time on here. Take this line, it's black, this line, let's go. And notice I don't want it up here, I don't want it down there. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle of my line here. And again, notice my line has no arrowhead at the bottom, just at the top, because it could continue forever in the x direction, in the positive direction, but not forever in the negative direction, because you cannot have negative time. This arrowhead is very important. You must have. Last but certainly not least, it says predict how much they'll earn in 10 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my 10, draw a line straight up. I'm going to use a ruler, so I'm going to just use a straight edge. Draw a line straight up to my trend line. So start at 10 and draw a line straight up. And then I'm going to draw a line straight over to my y-axis, starting there. And wherever it lands, that's where my point is. So I would say in 10 hours, you will earn, and I always use the word approximately, because yours might be a couple of dollars off than mine based off of where you drew your trend line, approximately $25. So that's the final answer to this. Again, make sure you have your trend line, make sure there's an arrowhead, make sure you have title, labels, and all of the above. We're not going to be doing the hula hoop challenge, some follow-up questions, but now what I'd like for you to do is to go ahead and start your homework and have a great day.